When it comes to simplifying meal preparation and making family gatherings more enjoyable, having the right kitchen tools is key. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile slow cooker that can tackle multiple dishes at once, this Proctor Silex double dish slow cooker should be at the top of your list. Designed with both convenience and performance in mind, this 6-quart slow cooker with dual 2.5-quart inserts is the ultimate kitchen companion for busy families, hosts, and meal prep enthusiasts. Let's dive into why this multifunctional slow cooker deserves a spot in your kitchen. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Dual cooking capability with 2 nonstick inserts. One of the standout features of the Proctor Silex double dish slow cooker is its ability to cook 2 dishes simultaneously. The large 6-quart stoneware crock provides ample space for cooking a whole chicken or a large roast, serving 7+ people in one go. But that's not all. The 2.5-quart nonstick inserts fit inside the main crock, allowing you to cook smaller side dishes or entrees like meatballs in marinara sauce or macaroni and cheese. The versatility of cooking 2 separate meals at once makes this slow cooker ideal for busy weeknights, parties, or holiday meals when you need to maximize your cooking space. Number 2. Perfect for family-size meals. Whether you're making a comforting beef stew, chicken Alfredo, or even a lasagna, the Proctor Silex 6-quart double dish slow cooker is built to handle family-size meals effortlessly. The 6-quart crock holds a 6-pound chicken or a 4-pound roast, ensuring there's enough food to feed a crowd. This is perfect for large families or entertaining guests, as you can serve hearty portions and still have leftovers for the next day. Number 3. Easy manual controls for simple cooking. If you appreciate simplicity in the kitchen, this slow cooker will not disappoint. The Proctor Silex features manual dial controls with 3 settings: low, high, and keep warm. Whether you're cooking a slow-simmered stew on low or a fast-cooked roast on high, the slow cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking. There's no need to constantly check on your meal. Just add your ingredients, set the dial, and let the cooker do the work. Number 4. Effortless cleanup. Cleaning up after a big meal is often the least favorite part of cooking, but with the Proctor Silex double dish slow cooker, it's a breeze. The removable stoneware crock, non-stick inserts, and glass lid are all dishwasher-safe, making cleanup simple and quick. The non-stick inserts ensure that food doesn't stick, further reducing the hassle of scrubbing pots. Even better, the stoneware crock can also be used in the oven or microwave, giving you even more flexibility in your cooking process. Number 5. Durable, easy-to-carry design. A slow cooker should not only be functional, but also built to last. The Proctor Silex double dish slow cooker features a durable design with full grip handles and knobs, making it easy to carry and serve your meals. The handles are sturdy and offer a secure grip, making it easy to transport the cooker from the kitchen to the dining table, or even for potluck events. Whether you're serving a hot meal or packing it away, this slow cooker is designed for convenience and durability. Number 6. Great for meal prep and entertaining. If you love preparing meals ahead of time or need a way to cook different dishes for a party or gathering, this slow cooker makes it easier than ever. With its dual cooking capacity, you can have a complete meal ready to go, from the main course to the sides. Perfect for family dinners, meal prepping, or hosting a casual gathering, this slow cooker ensures that your food stays warm and ready to serve. Why you'll love the Proctor Silex double dish slow cooker. Dual cooking power. The ability to cook 2 different dishes at once saves time and allows you to create diverse menus in one go. Ideal for large meals. With a 6-quart crock and 2 2.5-quart inserts, this slow cooker is perfect for feeding a crowd. Simple, no-hassle cooking. Manual controls with 3 easy settings: low, high, keep warm, make it easy to cook any meal with minimal effort. Easy cleanup. The dishwasher-safe stoneware inserts and lid make cleaning quick and simple, saving you time. Portable and durable. Full grip handles make it easy to transport and serve your dishes, while the durable design ensures longevity. In summary, the Proctor Silex double dish slow cooker is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify meal prep, reduce cooking time, and serve delicious meals with minimal effort. Its innovative dual cooking feature makes it perfect for families and hosts, while its durable design and easy-to-use controls ensure a smooth cooking experience every time. Whether you're preparing a hearty meal for your family or cooking for a party, this slow cooker is designed to handle it all with ease. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.